to my channel, guys. This is Gladys here. I decided to share my bedroom with you guys for the end of the year, and this is a minimalistic or a minimal bedroom tour, and I hope you enjoy it. So my husband and I have decided to go minimal and just living with what we need and not being overwhelmed with clutter. And mostly we decided in this journey because we wanted to spend more time as a family instead of cleaning, and also spend more time saving money instead of spending. I feel like when you have a lot of things, you tend to spend more money just to fill them, but when you have less things, you turn to enjoy them more. So guys, right here is one of my side table which I got from Goodwill for $5, and the mirror on the wall, I have a set of 2. I got it at Walmart for I believe $20 each. My stand right here is my dresser. It's from American Furniture, and I love this dresser. It's gray, which is one of my favorite colors for house decor, and it's just clean. I have a floral arrangement that I made from flowers from Dollar Tree, and the stand on there is from the Goodwill. And this is the other side of the bedroom, guys. Simple, but mostly very effective. All we have is a lamp, a mirror, and a side table. That's it. I don't want to have more things just to carry more clutter. My bedroom set here is from American Furniture Warehouse. Sorry guys, my bed is not very fancy. My bed sheet are not fancy. It's just simple and colors that I love, because I have kids. Sometimes they come jumping on the bed, and I'd rather it being neutral colors than, colors that will get dirty easily. So this is the side of my bedroom. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. And on the other side of my bed, guys, is this beautiful wall art. I believe it's one of the iconic phone booths from London, and I love it. It's just simple, clean, and I love the pop of red there. So it doesn't matter whichever side we sleep on. We love rotating which side we sleep on. If you fall there and you sleep there first, it's your side. But at least we have a bottle of water under there, and we also have 2 Bibles under one of the tables, because we love reading at night and we love drinking water before we sleep. So yeah. You stole my heart. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You said my... So this is the other side of my bedroom when you're standing from the bed, and on the wall right here I have 3 mirrors from the Dollar Tree, and then this on the right is my bathroom, and on the left is my closet. My bedroom is very simple and exactly how I want it. Minimal, less is more in my book. Guys, this is not a very long video. It's going to be a very short video, but I hope this has inspired you to keep your house clean, your bedroom clean. It's your sanctuary, and having less things is way much better than filling it with just clutter. God bless you all. Stay tuned for other videos. If you're not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. Bye bye guys.